Southern Africa is a haven for bird life. Peace parks and partners are involved in creating and protecting safe spaces for wildlife, and this of course includes birds, although they can come and go of their own accord. On a road trip from Maputo Special Reserve back to Limpopo, the Peace Parks crew stops to check out some feathered friends. Most of these bird species are carnivorous, meaning that their diet consists primarily of meat such as small rodents and insects. The fact that so many different birds are seen here is a great sign, as it means that they are attracted to the habitat and food source, which suggests that there are plenty of insects and other food around. The importance of birds to an ecosystem is well documented. They connect habitats through their migrations, and in doing so remind us of our own connection to the planet, the environment, wildlife, and each other.